Hello. I'm your apple friend Alicia. Hello. I am your pineapple friend Pinchu. Hello. I am your orange friend Akil.
Guys, are you excited to create the learning videos that you've just seen? You are definitely watching the right video. But first, welcome back to KCK Online Videos. It's your girl Lania Karim here. If you are new here, you are most definitely welcome to the home of the most informative videos. And without further ado, let's get right into today's video. So it's no secret that people are making a lot of money creating kids educational animation, and with the help of AI it makes everything a lot much easier, like how I'm going to show you in this video. So I just want to show you guys something. Like you can see, this video was posted 2 days ago and you can see the amount of views it has. And if you continue scrolling down, you can see, for example, this one, it's 4 months ago, but you can see the amount of views it has. If you scroll down more, you will see that there is more. This is 2 months ago, and you can see how many views it has. So this niche is really, really good, and it's performing really, really well on YouTube. So let's assume that you want your channel to teach kids about fruits. Um, what we are going to need first are the images, and like you can see, I'm already in LEONARDO AI, and basically what you need to do is to put your settings just like mine. I'm not going to teach about LEONARDO AI right now in this video. So you can just put here the preset style. You make sure it's portrait bokeh. Then even here, you make sure it's portrait perfect. And here settings, you can choose the dimensions as 16:9 ratio for YouTube. Then next, you're just going to come here and you write your prompt. So a prompt is basically a command that you give to the computer to generate for you an image that you want. Okay. So in this particular case, my prompt is create me a beautiful realistic image of a watermelon with eyes, mouth, legs, and hands wearing big shades. So I'm just going to click here where it says generate, and my images will be generated. So here are the images that LEONARDO AI has generated for us. Sometimes you'll not get 100% what you want, but you just have to keep on perfecting your prompt until you get something that you like. But I think we can work with this one. So I'm going to just download this one and save it to my computer. Next, we need to remove a background from our image that we've created with LEONARDO AI. To do that, we are going to use Remove.bg. You can just go to your favorite web browser and website it. Then you can click on the link and it will bring you to this interface. You can either log in if you already have an account, or you can sign up with them. But the good thing with this one is that even when you're not signed in, you can simply use it. So what you're going to do is you're going to click here on the plus button. Then you will choose a picture that you want to remove the background from, and it will automatically erase the background for you. So after that, you can click on the download button and then save the picture to your phone or your PC. So next step, we are going to animate our picture that we just downloaded. Okay, so to do that, we are going to use Animated Drawings AI, and basically you just need to sign up with them, and it will bring you to this interface. Then you click here where it says upload photo. Then you click on that. You upload the image that we just created. Then you click on next. Then you will click on agree. So removing a background before animating our character is going to save us time when it comes to this part, simply because everything is going to be so easy and smooth. But just in case you have any corrections to make, you can just see here what they are directing you to do. Then you follow along. So once you're done, you can just click on next. Same goes for this part. We are just going to click on next. Then after that, you can see everything is attached together. So we are still going to click on next. And then once we come on this page, you can see here are different animation styles that you can have with your character. Like you can see the first one, it can run, it can wave, but now it doesn't the image we chose does not have hands, like you can see. So this looks a bit weird. So I'm going to go back and get a better character that we can try to work with. So I went on to create this Apple character, and I took it through the same exact steps that I've shared with you. And yeah, so we stopped here. We are just going to resume. And so I was telling you guys, here are the different animations that it can do. For example, you can see it's running here. Then you can click on this, and then you can see that it's waving. Then you can also click here. Okay, so there is so many of them that you can choose from and choose what you want your animation to do. Okay, like there is this. Okay, you can see it's dancing now. For shortcut, if you already know what you want, for example, you want a one that is dancing, you can click on dance. A funny one, you can click on funny. A jumping one, you can click on jumping. Walking, you can click on walking, and you'll see that they'll give you different characters. So in the beginning of my video, I used the waving technique. This one here, the first one, sorry, the second one, it's the second one, but I want us to switch up things a little bit. So I'm going to go with this one. I like this one where it was dancing. Okay, I love that. So once you're happy with how that looks, you are just going to click here, and then you click on the three dots here, then you will click on download. So next we are going to be using Canva. Still again, you can just Google search it, sign up with them if you don't have an account, and then it will bring you to this interface. Now once you're here, you're going to click on video. Then it will bring you different types of videos. Then you'll choose which video you want to create. So I want to create a YouTube video. I'll click on YouTube, and it will bring you to this interface, and they'll give us a working space here. So the first thing we need is a background for our design, and to get a background we are going to be using the elements. You will click on the elements, then they'll bring you this search box here, so you can type in the kind of background that you want. For example, we want a cartoon background. So you will click on that, then they'll bring you different cartoon backgrounds in graphics and photos, so you can explore and see if you can find something that you want to work with. So if you don't like what you see in graphics, you can go on to check what's there in photos. Then still you can explore to see the one you want to use. Once you're happy with the design you want to use, you can just drag and drop it here, or you can just click on it and just drag it still to fit the text box like this. Or you can click on uploads, and then you upload your own custom thumbnail, which you can use for your content. Okay. Just like that. So next we are going to add our animated video, and to do that we are going to just come here on uploads, then we will click upload files, then we will add the video, and like you can see it's uploading here. Once it's done with uploading, you're just going to click on it like this, then it will come here, and once it comes here you'll click here where it says BG remover, and this will automatically remove the background from your video, so you can move your character to any place you want. So feel free to change the background if you don't like how it has come out. There is so much green, so I think I will change the background. So now at least here our character is visible. Once you're done, you can just click on play like this, and then you can see that it's moving. You can expand it to make it bigger, like that. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So if you want to add a second page, you will just click here, and then you will go to your upload. Still, you click on the upload button. Then you can add your background, or you can go to the elements and you find a background that you want to use, just like how we did. Then you'll follow the same steps, upload your character. If he's not yet there, you upload him, and then you can use your character here. So I already created this one here, so I'll click on this one. You can place him here, follow the same steps, remove background by clicking there. Then you can place him where you want him to stand. Now for my video, I want this page to come faster than this one. So I'll just drag this here to the front. And then once you're done like adding all the pages that you want, you can add as many as you want from here. Then once you're certain and happy with how everything looks like, you can click on play to see how it has come out. And if you're good to go, you can click here where it says share, and then you will click on download. You will download this video as an MP4 video, like you can see here. Then you can click on download, and it will download on your device. For the next step, you need a script of what your characters are going to be saying, okay? And if you're someone who wants to create your own things, you can become creative and create whatever you want. And if you're not yet familiar of how to create, you can use the help of ChatGPT. So basically, you can come here and give ChatGPT any command. For example, create me a short script for kids animation about, let's say, fruits. Then you can click here, and then ChatGPT will create for you ideas. If you're not happy with what ChatGPT has generated for you, you can always come back here and keep improving on your commands, or give it like different commands until you find what you want. Okay, so once you're happy, you're just going to highlight the content you want, the information you want, and then you can paste it in your Word document to use with in the next step, like I'm going to show you. Our next step, we are going to be using ClipChamp. Okay, so you will basically sign up, and then it will bring you to this page. You'll click here where it says create a new video. Then you'll click on that. Then here where it says import media, we are going to import our video that we created with Canva. Okay, our animated video, it's here. Once it's done uploading, we are going to drag and drop it here. So next we are going to click here where it says record and create. Then you will click on text to speech. Then you will put the text that you want to be read. Okay, you will paste it here, or you will type it here. Okay. That is the text that you created with ChatGPT, or your own that you created with your vision. Okay, so you can bring it and paste it here. But I want you to understand one thing, that the maximum duration is 10 minutes. So that means you will have to create different 10 minutes videos. Okay, if that makes sense, then you'll put them all together. Okay. If this is not making sense right now, don't worry. I have this video where I explain ChatGPT and ClipChamp, how they work. I kind of go into detail about everything, and I'm going to link it in the description down below. Please watch it right after this video, and it will make you understand what I'm talking about, and you'll also be able to learn about how other apps work when it comes to creating animation. Okay, it will expand on your knowledge. Okay. Moving back to our creation, you're going to come here where it says language, and you can explore different languages here if you want to change. And then if you also want to change the voice of a person, you can also click here until you search until you find the person you want to be behind your voiceover. So in this case, I want to use Anna. You can click here to hear how she sounds, and then you can also preview from here. You can preview the speech to hear how she reads out the message. If you're certain, you just click here where it says save, and then it will get saved over here. Now that it's saved here, we can play it to hear how it sounds.
Hello. I'm your Apple friend Alicia.
So now we are going to take the same steps for our next character. But now I notice we only used apples for this video, but let's assume your next character is a pineapple. You're still going to come here where it says record and create. You'll click on that. You'll come back to, sorry, you'll come back to text to speech. You'll click on that. Then let's assume your next character is a boy. You might consider like switching maybe the accent. Maybe you want to use United Kingdom this time round. You can go on to search for the voiceover you want. I want to use Macy, so I'm going to paste the text here, and then you can preview here and then save. Like you can see,
Hello. I am your pineapple friend Pinchu.
so even that one is ready. So next we are just going to cut the extra part that we don't want in our video. So we are going to split that, and then we are going to delete.
Hello. I'm your Apple friend Alicia. Hello. I am your pineapple friend Pinchu.
So that's it. You're going to come and click on the export button, and you will save your video as high quality. So it will start downloading, and once it's finished to download, they will tell you to save it to your computer. Once the video has saved to your computer, you can simply upload it to your YouTube, and ta-da! Money making it is, but obviously you'll need to be consistent to see the results. Okay, and guys, this brings us to the end of today's video. But like I can never leave a session without sharing with you more opportunities online, more opportunities of how you can make money online. So guys, please watch my most recent video of the 5 AI apps making people rich right now. There is a lot of information in there, and trust me, you will not live the same. Trust me, you are not going to live the same. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I don't take your support for granted. Please, if you haven't liked this video, I kindly request you to like this video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell. Guys, we are not fighting, are we? Please just like my video, okay? Share my video, subscribe to my channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. Thank you so much, and see you in my next one. Bye.